Hey, I'm Will Coleman and welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're making a chimichurri sausage, bean, and kale dish. If this recipe sounds good to you, be sure to subscribe to our channel for future recipe videos. This recipe is incredibly easy and all you need is one heavy bottom pan with a lid with a little bit of depth. We're gonna go ahead and cook our Italian sausage, though if you don't like Italian sausage, feel free to sub veggie or chicken sausage. It works just great. After we slice up our sausage, we're gonna put it back into the pan with our beans, our chicken broth, our chimichurri, and finally, our kale. This is gonna happen really fast, so let's head to the stove. Now that I've cooked my sausage, I've taken them out the pan and now I'm going to slice them into 1-inch pieces. All right, I want to put my sausage back into my pan with my beans, chicken broth, and chimichurri sauce. I'm gonna add my lid back to my pan and simmer for 5 minutes. It's been simmering for 5 minutes. I'm gonna remove my lid, add in my kale, cover back up, and cook it for a few more minutes. We're looking for our kale to be bright green and slightly wilted. There you have it, our chimichurri, sausage, beans, and kale. It's all set. This kitchen smells fantastic. And I think that you should make this as soon as possible. So if you've enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future videos. For the full recipe and the textable shopping list, click the link below. Thanks for watching and be sure to cook happy.